All right, now we get to do the fun one. So we're going to do where x is equal to 1/2 for the shapes that we have. So here we go. So I still have the rest of those up, not doing anything different other than now I'm going to go back in, and instead of changing the x, substituting in 6 for the x, I'm going to be substituting in 1/2. And I use that word substitute literally. That is the math term for it. So if I have a substitute teacher, that means I'm not here and they take my place. And it's the same thing in math. If you substitute in a number for a variable, it takes its place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross this one out right now because its x is now going to be equal to x squared, excuse me, is going to be equal to 1/2 squared. This x right here is going to be equal now to 1/2. And this x right here is also going to be equal to 1/2. So when I have my area of this guy right here, we have 1/2 squared plus, we have 2 1/2s. If I have 1/2 plus 1/2, or if I gave you $50 and then another $50, that is equal to 1 plus my 2 1s up here, which is 2. Area is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and add those two together. That is 3. And I'm going to change this 1/2 squared to 1/2 times 1/2. So area is equal to, again, when I multiply fractions, I just multiply my numerators across and my denominators across like that. So I have 1 times 1, which is 1, over 2 times 2, which is 4. And that makes sense because if I have $50 and then I give you half, that's 1/4. Plus 3. And that equals 3 1/4 units squared. Perimeter of this shape up here, doing the same thing. That guy, oops, helps if it's on the screen. This x now becomes 1/2. This x right here becomes now 1/2. This x right here now becomes 1/2. And this x right now becomes 1/2. So I'm going to take 1/2 plus 1/2, 1/2 plus 1/2. So that is going to give me 2. So I have 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and write this out because I don't want to confuse you. Plus, we already know that up here we have that 8. So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. 1/2 plus 1/2 is another 1. So we have 2 plus 8, which equals 10 units. Next, we're going to do the same thing with this shape right here. So starting with the area. This x now becomes 1/2. And this x right here now becomes 1/2. So my area when x is equal to 1/2 is 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 3 because I have my 3 unit tiles. Area is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2, we already know is 1. And then we have plus 3 is equal to 4 units squared. So we're talking about area. Next, we're going to do our perimeter. So this x right here is going to become 1/2. This x right here, also 1/2. This x is 1/2. And this x is also 1/2. So we have 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my perimeter is 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. 1/2 plus 1/2 is another one, which makes 2 plus 8, which equals 10 units. Whew. I will be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen. I kind of wish we do this a little later when I teach you how to solve equations, because there is a different way to do this. However, not knowing how to solve an equation, this to me was a bit more straightforward, I hope.